and welcome back to a new listing video tour at 13642 Dall in Santa Ana.
Absolutely, this is Eugenie. We're so excited to take you in. Let's go.
This sprawling 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom single-story residence, located in the coveted North Tustin enclave of Santa Ana, is boasting an expansive lot spanning approximately 12,300 square feet. The house sits up high in a quiet and elegant neighborhood and boasts a stunning curved appeal, featuring a tile roof, brick accented hardscape, and walkway.
Through this inviting double-door entrance, this beautiful home features the interior size of 2,750 square feet. It boasts a complete absence of carpeting, recently upgraded solid exotic hardwood, limestone, and porcelain tile flooring throughout. The kitchen is a chef's delight, boasting granite countertops, abandoned cabinets, and a dining area and a formal dining room.
An adjacent office, also equipped with built-in cabinetry, offers flexibility for a variety of uses. The existing floor plan could allow for 6 bedrooms by simply converting the formal dining room and the office spaces to 2 additional bedrooms. Closing a door in the hallway allows the interior to be split into 2 separate homes, each with its own separate entrance. This allows a separate mother-in-law suite comprising a bedroom, family room, a full bath, and a potential KitchenAid. This suite also opens onto the backyard through sliding glass doors.
Now we are in the living room. The living room is very bright and cheerful, with the built-in brick fireplace and a sliding door open to the backyard. A separate family room complete with open beam vaulted ceilings, a brick fireplace, and the built-in cabinets and bookcases.
A large master bedroom features a ceiling fan, windows overlooking the fountains in the backyard, which is accessible via a private door, and dual closets. The 3 other bedrooms are spacious with mirrored wardrobe doors and window shutters.
The cozy home also features a hallway bathroom, a dual sink vanity, and separate tub and shower, forced air heating, and central air conditioning for year-round comfort. The direct access 2-car garage comes with additional storage cabinets and an automatic overheat door opener. The laundry hooks are conveniently located in the garage.
This large private backyard is also divided into 3 distinct areas. A tranquil meditation area, mature trees and peaceful scenery envelope the entire space, offering a scenery retreat.
This remarkable property presents an incredible opportunity to tailor a spacious single-story home to your exact tastes. Conveniently located near shopping and dining destinations with easy access to I-55 and I-5 freeways. Zoned for the award-winning Tustin Unified School District, including Foothill High School, this amazing layout of the single-level home could potentially facilitate conversion to a RCFE. The neighborhood trail is just 5 minutes away from the home.
Thank you for taking this tour with us at 13642 Dall in Santa Ana. This is Allison. We will Eugenie team will guide you every step of the way.
Just call us and schedule a tour. We can't wait to see you here. I'm Eugenie. See you next time.